Hey there, my name is Jensen, and I'm the founder of Strictly Savvy. We're a creative and virtual assistant agency down here in Wellington, and I'm going to be one of the speakers on the growth panel at the launch conference by Rocket Spark. I am going to be sharing marketing tips and things that we've done to grow our agency over the last 8 years, and now have a number of organic leads coming in each and every week. If you are on the fence about coming to the conference, you need to book your ticket because it's going to be an incredible 2 days. The Rocket Spark team always put on amazing events. So I'm sure this one is going to be too. And for me, I love coming to things like this because you can never stop learning in business. Hearing from other people who have been there before you, they always have the most incredible ideas and are so willing to share those. So it's going to be a great opportunity to meet new people, and you never know what opportunities might come out of those interactions. So yeah, make sure you book your ticket. It's going to be a great couple of days. Now, the advice that I would give myself 10 years ago would be to trust your gut instinct. It is always right. Never ignore those red flags. If something doesn't feel right, it definitely isn't. So yeah, that's the advice that I would give myself. Always trust your gut instinct. So yeah, I hope that I get to see you at the conference. I'm really looking forward to it and can't wait to meet you and see you there.